I can't believe how much mud there is.
I got a call this morning from one of our customers down on the river, St. Rose Church. And the river, the Ohio River, is supposed to get up to 60 feet. I think flood stage is 56. Anyways, it's supposed to get up into the church on Wednesday. It's Saturday right now. I mean, look at this. The building's underwater here. So flood stage is 52 feet, we just figured out, not 56. So it's going to come up 8 more feet. So this is going to be...
Yeah, that's a parking lot.
Yeah, this is going to be 5 foot underwater right here where we're at. Yeah, that's the parking lot right there we just paid.
Is that the place that always washes away?
Yeah.
Yeah, that ain't supposed to be like that.
Is it on? So, we're down at St. Rose Church now. Alright, I'm headed down to St. Rose Church with floor scrubbers and dehumidifiers. The back down there, I guess. There's some dumbass in a kayak. Wow. Here it is. Oh. We're coming back Friday with the skid steer and the little backhoe and start cleaning mud up off the lot. We got a street cleaner coming tomorrow. There's some kayakers. Seems like a terrible idea to do that. Seems like that'd be illegal. I thought when the river got up this high, it was illegal to get on it with a boat. Alright, we're back. It's Friday now. The river's going down. You can see I got the backhoe behind me, the little backhoe. My brother's behind me somewhere with a skid steer. And we're headed back down to the church to try to clean up parking lot, sidewalks, and inside there's a mess too. So driving down here is like you're in a NASCAR race. People drive like idiots. It's like the closer you get to Cincinnati, the more stupid people drive. Cutting you off. They gotta get, because you got a trailer, they gotta get in front of you. Yeah, so the other day when I was here, this was all underwater. All this, it was all the way up to the edge of that pool. So, yeah, this baseball field was underwater. It was all the way up to the back of these condos here. We worked at this church for, man, 30, probably 40 years. So, here we are. Alright, I gotta move some cones here. comes my brother with a skid steer. See where he's going to park at. It's hard to tell him what he's going to do. It's a mess down here. Ben's going to fire up the street cleaner. Never used one of them before. Jarrett and Randy are getting the skid steer down here. We'll get after it here in a minute.
On the side, rabbit and a turtle.
So the river's receded. It got up to, says it got up to 61, and you see the mud there. Dad's running the back, Randy's in the skid steer, and Ben's in the street cleaner. Dad don't think it's going to take till dark to get this done. I think he's wrong. There's so much mud. So much mud. There's so much mud. I'd say it didn't wash away. it was 61 feet there. And the bench is still here. I'd say it's bolted down. I don't know what he was thinking. That's a cool piece of driftwood. Want a piece of that driftwood? Gus, scoot down, push it in. Let's go see what's going on over here. Randy's just sitting here idling at the skid steer. I don't know what the heck he's got going on here. Now I'm going to get run over. Look at all the mud. I don't know what them cars are doing up there.
This is what we got going on. Doing a little street sweeping out here. I don't know how much they told you about the flood. The Ohio River crested about 60.5 feet. That was enough to do a lot of damage. around these parts. We're still at it. Probably been going for about 3 hours now. Gotta make a couple passes with this thing to do any real work. Just the mud is so thick in this parking lot. Got Randy on the skid steer. Dad's supervising right now. He's getting his tractor cleaned off a little bit. Jared's on pressure washer duty. I got the easy job. Jared's having to pressure wash the sidewalk, equipment. We're getting it, but it's slow going. We're gonna keep at it. I always like working down here. This church is really historic, and we've done a lot of work here over the years. We painted this whole building a couple years ago. I got to paint this flood sign, the record flood since 1800. They got painted on the back of the church here. That was really cool to paint that. It's kind of just historic part of Cincinnati down here on the river. It does flood when the river gets put out. That's part of it though.
Water was up to there, 3 feet of water inside probably. We're gonna go get some more equipment. I'm gonna try to go get a water pump and big hose to see if we can get a bunch of water on that parking lot back there. How's it going, Jerry?
What's going on? I got my soda pop. I'm freezing. I'm totally soaked.
Nice. People are driving like complete idiots. I guess it's because it's Friday and they got more important stuff to do than I do, I guess. I don't know. People are trying to pass me in the emergency lane. Slowly, look at this freaking idiot here. Freaking people are so damn stupid. I'm going almost 80. Speed limit 65. And I'm pulling this backhoe. I got a trash pump and a bunch of hoses and stuff on it. I'm pulling 6,000 pounds probably. So I had to go back to Kentucky to get the pump. It's still pretty high. I think it's just now getting back to flood stage. 52 point something. I got up to 61 feet, so it's came down 9 feet. We got the pump running. Ben's running the street sweeper. So hopefully this helps. I think we need another 100 foot of hose at least.
Hose is heavy.
Yeah, we got the pump running and been hosing off the lot for 2 hours. So yeah, I'm headed down to St. Rose Church. I gotta drop off a piece of trim for him, but we got that mess all cleaned up. I'll show you what it's supposed to look like, the river and everything. since it's back down to normal stage now. Here it is. I'm pulling back into there. Parking lot's pretty well cleaned up. Still a bunch of crap over there. I mean, it was up 25 feet or something, I think. Still a mess back here, but parking lot at least is clean.